the communist ideology from spreading across the European continent. Yeah, first जी.
Okay,
Dann,
sir.
ja, und nach dem, nach, nach, äh, nach Truman-Doktrin brachte, brachte die amerikanische Regierung noch einen Plan, das war Marshallplan, ja? Verstehen Sie? Marshallplan im Jahr 1947. Also der Verkündung der Truman-Doktrin folgte am 6. Juni 1947, ja, eine Rede des amerikanischen Außenministers George Marshall an der Harvard-Universität, in der er ein europäisches Wiederaufbauprogramm vorschlug. Also erstmal sprach der Außenminister von USA, George
Hello, sir.
Marshall, an der Harvard-Universität über die europäisches Wiederaufbauprogramm. Das war Marshall-Plan. Und auf Englisch nannten die Amerikanischen dieses Programm als European Recovery Program. Verstehen Sie? Okay. Und damit sollte Europa finanziell geholfen werden. Okay. Damit wollte die amerikanische Regierung Europa beim Wiederaufbau helfen, weil Europa schon während des Krieges auf dem Boden lag. Europa wurde zerbombt, zerstört, ja, oder auf die Ruinen versetzt, ja. Und die Amerikanischen wollten Europa helfen, oder die amerikanische Regierung wollte Europa beim Wiederaufbau helfen. Verstehen Sie? Okay. Ja.
Waren Truman-Doktrin und Marshallplan unterschiedlich?
Ja, Truman-Doktrin war eine Art Außenpolitik. That was foreign policy. And under this foreign policy, they came up with this Marshall Plan. Yeah, Marshall Plan was a currency reform or to help economically European states. You got this? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Araman, tell me.
ये सर स्पेशली जर्मन है सर। जर्मनी को मतलब हेल्प करना चाहता था ना अमेरिका।
No, all the European countries which were can you just
come in
mute
NATO,
it?
sir.
Can you mute it? No, Raman. No. So all those countries of Europe which were in need, they wanted to help countries, yeah, rebuild. But their focus, of course, was Germany. Yeah. Or so you have to yourself read about Marshall Plan. Go and read because we don't have that much time. So I'll give you, yeah. So again, and the other reason for Cold War was Berlin blockade. Yeah, the Berliner blockade. Okay. So you have 4 or 5 reasons which you can mention in your exam or you can read about for your uh, exam. Yeah, and then you have Wehrum's reform. So first you can start with Potsdamer Conference and the differences between both the powers in that conference. It come very clearly in that conference. Yeah. Then Berlin blockade, Wehrum's reform, Truman Doctrine, Marshall Plan. Yeah. And then creation of the states. Yeah, and forming of the Formierung der Blöcke, yeah, communist bloc and capitalist bloc. So read about all this, and that would help you in your exam. So any question, guys?
Sir, will you have to mention Truman Doctrine as a only
No,
the
I mean, no. You read about it. I'm sending you a link. You read that. Okay.
no, sir. I want to ask that
Hmm?
if we you have asked us
Hmm?
this what is Caltech Creek, then
Hmm.
we have to describe only Caltech Creek or the subtopic just like Truman Doctrine. What was
I mean,
Truman?
you see, you go read yourself about all the points that I mentioned you right now. What I mean, if you want, you can add all the points. If you want to build your argument on based on 1 2 points, that's okay. You don't need to mention everything. You have to make your point how I mean, this Cold War started. Yeah,
Because it was oral exam, so it would be
yeah, yeah.
can
Okay, now, yeah, Deutsche
Sir,
Teilung.
sir,
So
please
Deutsche
send
Teilung
the link,
was,
sir. Sir, please
yeah,
send the
I have
link, sir.
sent you in the group. I have sent you
Okay,
in the group.
okay, thank you, sir.
So yeah, guys. So now the Teilung Deutschlands. So two states, BRD, DDR, Bundesrepublik Deutschland und Deutsche Republik, Deutsche Demokratische Republik, ja, Ostdeutschland und Westdeutschland, ja. So how did it came about? I mean, how did Germany came to have two nations? So we have discussed almost in details in last, I guess, in class.
sir, you have leave that.
Hmm?
You
Hello?
have हेलो
What?
आपने इसको छोड़ दिया था
Nahi, nahi. We have discussed this. Don't tell me this.
लास्ट
So no, not last class. We have discussed this in two, 3 class. Talha. I guess you were not there.
sir have I had there but I thought you have leave this
No, no,
topic
no. No.
I will
So
prepare
I guess we have also discussed this in last class. So last class में जो हमने पढ़ाया था, if you read that 3 4 pages, you are going to understand this. So just give me a second. I'll explain you this a bit. So we have already discussed this, right? मैंने आप लोगों को इसमें से पैराग्राफ I had read out paragraphs and I had explained you how it came about. So please read this, make it, break the sentences and try to understand. Then you are going to understand. Yeah. So should I explain you, or we call it a day? Go and
sir
read yourself.
can we read from another source
Yeah. Yeah. Read it. If you don't understand anything, you ask me in the group or you send me a message. Yeah. You see, I'll give you. Yeah.
or
Yeah. Just you see here. बोलो वेदांत.
And sir, timings also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, timing would be same 9 to 11 because you have a class. I think from 11 to 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So if
Sir, but we have to
your
give
other teacher
our
would allow you, I mean, holiday, he ask him to not to take the class so that we can have a longer session of your exam. If he allows, okay. If he does not allow you, then we will have 9 to 11, and I'll try to take exams of as many people as possible. Okay.
sir, we are supposed to give the oral exam individually or in the group.
Two people or three people. Okay.
Or also, sir, timing, sir, because timing is important, sir. No?
Timing is 9 to 11. That you have to keep in your mind and ask your teacher if he agrees, if he
But
allows
sir,
you a day.
if two or three people are wants a time, then time will be what the timing for one or two, three people.
That
My
would
question.
depend how you are going to answer.
But that
It can
takes
be
too much time, no?
no, that's up to me. You don't bother about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It may last
Thank
30
you.
minutes. It may last 10 minutes. It may last 5 minutes. I mean 5 minutes, or it may last 2 minutes. It depends on how you are going to answer. Okay.
Sir, yesterday's our
Okay,
oral
sir.
exam
Okay, sir.
ends at 3:20 p.m. from
हाँ
9 a.m. to 3:20 p.m.
ask Ashutosh sir to allow us his class. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, write it, and you ask him कि Shailesh sir is requesting this. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. And if he does not agree, then it's fine. I'll try finding out some other possible ways. So please go and read. For example, you see here, die Bundesrepublik war ein Kind des Kaltes Krieges. That is why I gave you a background of Kaltes of Cold War and all the plans, conferences. Yeah, so definitely Bundesrepublik war ein Kind des Kaltes Krieges. So BRD born out of the Cold War. Ja, ohne ihn wäre sie nie geboren worden. So without Cold War, probably BRD would never come into would never come into existence. Okay. So die fundamentalen Entscheidungen über das politische und wirtschaftliche Ordnungssystem waren den Westdeutschen weitgehend abgenommen werden. Ja. Okay, es hatte weder eine Revolution gegeben noch einen Bürgerkrieg wie nach 1918 oder 19. Ja? So, Bundesrepublik Deutschland war ein Kind des Kalten Krieges, und dieser Staat wurde ohne eine Revolution oder einen Bürgerkrieg geboren. Ja? Verstehen Sie? Es gab keine Revolution, es gab keinen Bürgerkrieg. Bürgerkrieg ist Civil War,
Civil
ja?
War.
Bürgerkrieg, ja? Okay. Eine linksradikale Massenbewegung, die gegen die neue Republik Front machte, gab es ebenso wenig wie eine machthungrige Militärkaste, die über Husplänen brütete. Also die linken Politiker waren gegen einen neuen Staat, Bundesrepublik Deutschland, ja, aber sie hatten keinen Erfolg damit, ja. Der innere Konflikt zwischen links und rechts, der Deutschland nach dem Ersten Weltkrieg so nachhaltig erschüttert hatte sich nach 1945 als Konfrontation zwischen einem kommunistischen und einem liberal-kapitalistischen Lager im Kalten Krieg nach außen verschoben und ins Globale verlängert. Ja? Verstehen Sie also, nach dem Ersten Weltkrieg entstand einen klaren Unterschied zwischen den linken Politikern und den liberal-kapitalistischen Politikern, ja? Und man kann das als auch einen Grund verstehen, der das Land, das bedeutet der Deutschland zum Kalten Krieg führte, ja? Also wenn Sie nur diese einigen Seiten lesen können, verstehen Sie sehr gut, wie es zur Teilung Deutschlands kam. Ja, verstehen Sie? Okay, Leute, also verstehen Sie 2 Stadtgründungen dieser und dann können Sie die Stadtgründungen, also Teilung Deutschlands, besser verstehen und ich wünsche euch alles Gute. Vorbereiten Sie sich auf Ihre mündliche Prüfung und dann treffen wir ja übermorgen gegen 11 Uhr. Ja? Okay, Leute?
Gegen 9 Uhr.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
are you going to give the groups?
I'll decide that day only. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I don't know. I have asked 2-3 people who I don't know who is going to come. Yeah. Yeah, whoever would be, it's not going to be terrible. Yeah. All people are good. Just try to prepare. Don't focus on your how you are going to speak. Just be confident, prepare it and speak. Give us content. Yeah, we are not going to judge you for your grammar, but definitely try whatever words you speak that has to be German. Don't bring in other languages or don't tell me the way I think अमन और किसी ने कहा था 1900 fear that is not done. Yeah. So just try to be as much as in German. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
dann auf Wiedersehen. Alles
about group
Gute. Ja.
auf Wiedersehen.
Hello, sir.